Hi, in this video, I will quickly walk you through what is Helm and what are the advantages of Helm for Kubernetes. Okay, so as you see in this window, as you see in this screen, so where it just explains the formal definition of Helm. Okay, what is the Helm is. So as you see here, Helm is a package manager and application management tool for Kubernetes that packages the multiple Kubernetes resources into a single logical deployment unit called charts. Okay, yeah. So that's what the general definition of a Helm tells all about. In the sense, so this is the Helm is a tool. Yeah, it's a tool which will easyfies lots of manual tasks. Okay, and helps us to deploy an application into the Kubernetes. Okay, yeah. So and we call those particular deployable unit called charts. Okay, for example, we let's say we have created ingress help modules. Okay, so in that case, how we can use those modules to spin up the ingress application on my Kubernetes cluster, right? So that's why I have taken one simple example uses of helm modules. How we will use the helm modules. For example, if you want to install ingress on our Kubernetes cluster, then this is the command I just run to make sure that I just within a second of time I will end up with configuring ingress service on my Kubernetes cluster. Okay, that's the level of simplification that Helm provides us for the Kubernetes related tasks. Okay, so that's the reason Helm is also getting very famous along with the during this Kubernetes world. Okay, so you see the Helm, the command looks like something like this. Yeah, it's just like Helm install, nothing but I'm installing the particular application on my Kubernetes cluster. Then I give the general deployment name, that is Nginx ingress. That's a general name I have given for this deployment. Similarly, where I give the Helm chart definition. Okay, so Helm chart definition will be separated by the image name and forward slash by the tag of the image. Okay, so similarly, this is the, so you see this part, right? So this part will act as a kind of Helm module. Okay, so once we run this command, they automatically the Nginx ingress application will be running in our Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so that is the level of simplification this Helm tool provides us for our Kubernetes task. Okay, yeah. So with that note, let's go to the next slide and see what are all the top level advantages of a Helm, using Helm. Okay, at Kubernetes. So first of all, it simplifies the repeatable application deployment at Kubernetes. Okay, so you might be knowing that, let's say we are hosting our own application and we are doing the its development from the scratch. Okay, so in that case, so we will be releasing multiple times, right? So at that time, if you create your application in the form of Helm deployment, so then you just have to run a single command to keep on seeing your application how it behaves in the Kubernetes cluster, right? So that's the way, in the sense, in that cases, in such repeatable task, a Helm module comes which with very handy. Yeah. So with that, let's go to the next advantage, that is application dependency management and other application and services. Okay, so what does it mean is, so let's say let's say you are hosting an application in the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so your application probably might have multiple dependency. That application might be dependent on the multiple services, multiple other applications, right? So in that case, you can club all your application in a single module of Helm and keep on deploying that your application onto the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, in the sense, you are binding multiple applications and services to make sure that an application, a particular application as a component, work fine. Okay, so in that case, Helm becomes a very beneficial in that case. Yeah, in the sense, Helm provides such a kind of advantages which simplifies that task. Okay, similarly, the third advantage which I see is so multi-stage deployments. Okay, let's say you have an environment where you need to deploy your application across the stages of your environment. For example, dev stage, test stage, and production stage. Okay, so in that case, so if you are using the Helm module, so this gives an add-on advantages, in the sense you just have to run one command and release your application across these stages. Okay, so that's the reason, that's a third advantage of Helm. Okay, similarly, the fourth advantage tell that executes post pre-deployment jobs during the application deployments. In the sense, for example, there are some pre and post task that are need to be performed before during your application deployment. Okay, so in such cases also, Helm also supports at a great extent. Okay, so that's the reason Helm comes very handy during those kind of requirement as well. Yeah. Similarly, final. Okay, so as the final advantage is very known, right? Because see, as I said, like Helm supports us for the multiple times or multiple repeatable deployments at the Kubernetes cluster. So definitely we have the advantage, that is like update and rollback and test application deployments. Okay, so in the sense, with using the Helm module, what I can do is I can first of all I can install my application on the Kubernetes cluster. Not only that, after that I can go and update the same application with using Helm command. Yeah. Similarly, let's say that's a version update. Okay. Similarly, let's say that version update you are not good with it. You need to roll back. Again, you can roll back that particular application to the previous version as well. Okay. So in the sense, Helm is completely agnostic to the DevOps methodology of handling your application at a simplified manner. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. So these are the advantages of the Helm, and this is the all about Helm. Okay. So that's all. This was just a brief about Helm utility at Kubernetes. Whereas in my future videos, I will be working more on these videos. That's the reason this video will be a kind of brief about the Helm modules, which is meant for Kubernetes application deployments. Okay. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Kind request, please do subscribe my channel. That would really encourage me a lot. Okay. With that note, thank you. Thanks a lot.